Are you looking for the best alarm clocks? In this video, we will look at some of the best alarm clocks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Travel Wey Home LED. If you are looking for the best alarm clock, then Travel Home LED is the best. It has a reasonable price of $20. It has simple features and is easy to use. It has a prominent red display. It doesn't include the bells and whistles, but if you are looking for a reasonable alarm clock, then Travel Wey Home LED is the best choice. You can adjust the brightness of the clock so it cannot disturb your sleeping while setting it. It has a standard 9-minute snooze time. Even you have the choice to switch between soft and loud sounds. Travel Wey is the best alarm clock because it's basic and simple. It also has backup battery if you are short of power. Number 2. Philips HF 3500. It is the best sunrise alarm clock. Sunrise clocks are designed to wake up sleepers with light. Philips HF 3500 is the best sunrise alarm clock with its orange display, reasonable price, and light functioning. It's a unique clock and looks like UFO. It has simple buttons. At least 30 minutes before your alarm, this alarm will increase the brightness. To ensure you wake up, it also beeps with great intensity. It has 10 different brightness levels that you can choose from. Number 3. Sonic Alert Sonic Bomb's best features. The people who sleep a lot and have the deepest nap are almost difficult to get up. If you are someone who has the deepest nap, then the Sonic Alert alarm is for you. It has 2 parts: the classic display and a loud buzzer that vibrates even below your pillow. It has a shaker attachment. If someone has a more hectic duty, then it's the best alarm clock for you. Number 4. Hatch restores the sound machine. If you are looking for a kid's alarm that meets your child's needs, then this alarm choice is the most appropriate one. It is a smart machine and has smart light in it. This clock has many options for kids that make it the most suitable choice for use. It has noisy white sounds and soft control buttons. This app can be accessed on your phone, and you can create daily routines. You can change your day-to-day routine with the help of this clock. You can create a wake and sleep routine according to your child. You can dim or brighten the light. This is an easy-to-use clock that can be accessed anywhere. It is not budget-friendly, but it is worth buying. Number 5. Lenovo Smart Clock 2. It has a 4-inch touchscreen that includes a weather calendar. You can also use voice commands, and it's connected to Google Assistant. It's not like that smartwatch which includes music etc., but still, it's pretty much handy and easy to use. It also has a sunrise feature. It will light up 30 minutes before the scheduled alarm time. The only drawback is that it displays a glowing face every time. Number 6. Jall Wooden Alarm Clock. The Jall Wooden Digital Smart Alarm Clock is simple to set, easy to use, feasible to read in the dark, and it has a loud alarm. It has incredibly useful features such as a humidity checker, temperature readings, and multiple alarm settings simultaneously. It has an automatic feature of sleep. It has a backup battery option. It is one of the most striking clocks. It isn't a noisy alarm. Its functions, simplicity, and design make it easier to use. Number 7. Dreamy Sky Digital Clock. The Dreamy Sky Digital Clock is the one that is affordable and easy to use. It has a big display. It only has an alarm feature and USB port, making it the simplest to use. It's not difficult to use. It has 4 buttons and 2 wheels and has a snooze button on the top. The alarm itself is soft in the start, not too loud. It has strong durability, appearance, and waking up experience. The large screen has made it one of the most readable clocks. Number 8. IBT 232 Bluetooth Alarm FM Clock Radio. This is the most multi-feature alarm clock that has the most distinct features: music, Bluetooth, Google Assistant just like Siri, and weather updates. It has different alarm features that help you update the alarm time according to your needs throughout the week. It even charges the phone. Number 9. ILUV Time Shaker Vibrating Alarm Clock. If you are looking for a vibrating alarm clock, then ILUV is the best choice for you. From its appearance to its features, it's just like a traditional alarm clock. It has different features that include different vibrations that can help you wake up from deep nap. It has the USB port to charge your phone. You can adjust the brightness according to your needs. This clock has a 120 decibel alarm, so turn the sound on. Number 10. Clocky Alarm Clock for Teens. If you are a teenage and has a bad habit of hitting the snooze button, then this alarm piece is for you. It will not only beep loudly, but even if you snooze it, it will roll around and jumps. This alarm clock will shake its directions and run. It will force you to wake you up from deep sleep. It snoozes for 8 minutes, but after that your clock will brighten up and will start running. Its source of power is its battery.